It's time to add the final touches to our droplet and bring it to life. Let's start by taking a look at what we're trying to accomplish by referencing the finished droplet on slide 2. Head into the Animations tab on slide 2, then click on Animation Pane to open it up. Let's take a look at the existing animations and see how everything comes together to bring the droplet to life. It's actually quite simple. We just need a motion path animation moving upwards for the bubbles and waves, and a grow and turn animation for the label. Head back to slide 1, and let's break it down one element at a time. To make things simpler, let's hide some of the elements we don't need for now. Head to the Home tab, click Arrange, and then Selection Pane. Start by hiding the droplet background and the bubbles by clicking the eye icon next to each element. This will help us focus on animating the waves first. Let's zoom out a bit, as we need to move the waves down outside the canvas. Drag each wave downward, positioning one to the left and one to the right. Select one of the waves, then head into the Animations tab. Click Add Animation, then choose Motion Path, Line. By default, it's set to move downwards, but we need it to move upwards. To fix this, go to Effect Options, next to Add Animation, where you can change the direction to down, left, right, or up. Select Up. Now, we can see the animation moving upwards. Next, we just need to adjust its trajectory and endpoint. The movement is controlled by two dots. The green dot represents the starting point, and the red dot represents the ending point. Drag the red dot further upward to extend the motion path and make the wave rise smoothly. Do the same for the other wave. Select it, go to the Animations tab, click Add Animation, and choose Motion Path, Line. Then, go to Effect Options and set the direction to up so it moves correctly. Once done, adjust the red dot to control the ending position, just like we did with the first wave. But this time, position the ending point on the opposite side so the waves crisscross each other, creating a more dynamic and natural flow. Now, head to the Animation pane, right-click on both wave animations, and select Start with Previous. Then, select both animations, go to the duration setting, and set it to 5 seconds to create a smooth, gradual movement. Let's check it out. Play the slide and watch the waves move. Looks good. Now, unhide the background cutout in the selection pane and play the slide one more time to see the full effect. Awesome! Now, we just need to add the bubbles and the text field. Let's start with the bubbles. Unhide them in the selection pane, then move them down outside the canvas, just like we did with the waves. Next, go to the Animations tab, click Add Animation, and choose Motion Path, Line. Finally, set the direction to up, then grab the red dot and place the endpoint in the middle of the droplet so the bubbles rise naturally inside it. Then, go to the Animation pane, right-click on the bubble animation, and select Start with Previous so it plays automatically with the waves. Next, set the duration to 5 seconds to match the timing of the waves and create a smooth, synchronized effect. Let's check it out. Play the slide and watch the waves move. Not bad. Not bad at all. Now, we just need to add the text field. Let's zoom in first. Then go to the Insert tab, select Text Box, and type in your desired text. For me, that's 82%, but it doesn't really matter. The number is just meant to symbolize how full the droplet is. Format the text color to white, then center the text and increase the font size to make it stand out. Once you're done, place the text box somewhere in the center of the droplet. We just need to do one last thing, and then we're done. With the text box selected, head to the Animations tab, click Add Animation, and choose Grow and Turn. Then, go to the Animation pane, right-click on the animation, and select Start with Previous so it plays automatically. Finally, set the duration to 2 seconds and add a 1.5-second delay to sync it with the rest of the animation. Now, let's play the slide one last time and admire the final result. You can now choose to delete either slide 1 or slide 2, depending on whether you want to use your own version or the pre-made one. For consistency, I'll be using slide 2 moving forward. In the next session, we'll turn the droplet into our second GIF set. But as you'll soon see, this might not be as simple as it seems. Stay tuned.